We've come to the next stop of Milos. Now Milos is probably my favorite island. It has the combination of beautiful beaches, extraordinary terrain, and quaint little town spots. But on the ferry over, we experienced the infamous delays we've been hearing about. So usually these ferries get delayed because of high wind. We rushed over to the port thinking we were going to be late. We got there only to find everyone just sitting there, waiting. Ended up being a delay of an hour and a half, but at least the town at night is pretty to look at. Well, good morning. Nice day out. We're gonna take a chill today, but have a lot of fun. We stayed in this local villa booked through Airbnb. This is a very spacious and pleasant place to stay at. We have this entire outdoor courtyard to do whatever we want. It's got a nice patio to hang out on. It's perfect for enjoying a nice cool evening. This complex has 2 units, each with its own outdoor patio. Yes, another one, as if the one patio in the courtyard is not enough. They love their patios here in Greece. At 160 euros a night, I'd say it's the best deal out of all the places we stayed at. The room has a lot of space, but the best thing about this place is the host, Flora, and her husband. They're absolutely amazing. They picked us up from the port, which is the norm on these Greek islands, brought our luggage in, and even had a bottle of wine waiting for us in the room. Flora worked in the hospitality industry on this island for many years, so she has a lot of good recommendations. She even hooked us up with a guy for a rental car. Highly recommend Flora as the host. Place that everyone told us to check out is this tucked away cave on the northwest side of the island. The Papafragas cave has these stunning, tall, volcanic rock formation creating this natural swimming pool, enclosing you from the rest of the Mediterranean Sea. There are fences on top of the cave telling you to keep out, but it's funny how they leave just enough room for you to get through. And once you're down there, super clear, warm water. It's so nice to just lay down and just float, taking in the sun and the breeze. There is this one small opening that a guy told us about where you can dive under to get to the other side of this enclosed area. The other side being the sea. The water's a lot rougher there. We didn't spend that much time there. We quickly made our way back. We could spend hours here, but we got other places to be. have this whole place to ourselves. And the view is gorgeous. So we finally got a little time to sit down and chill after hustling and bustling for the last 2 days. We're on top of the hills of Plaka.
Plaka Plaka Flame.
Plaka Plaka Flame. This bar is called Pi Alpha Omega. Sounds like a frat. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's got great seating, great views, and we'll find out how good the cocktails are. You shouldn't be surprised by now. We spent the last part of our day hunting for sunset. And that's what I'll leave you with.